and welcome to another weekly analysis on the Emini futures, looking into the S&P 500 index futures for October 9th. As per last week, my range for where that support area was when I was drawing the channel was this 42.50 to 45.70 area, and that's what I stuck with. I took a long from there, and with this complete week, there's a big swing trade, and my first let me actually go into the daily charts here so that I can show you where I took profits. And going into the daily here. So that was the last week bounce that we're talking about. There was one bounce here on this pretty much is last week if you see here. So that's the 10.6, 10.5, 10.4, 10.3. All bounced around that area. So I went long, and the first target was right here, and that I achieved on 10.4. Then I did not have a runner, so I tried to go long again at 42.60 area, which got filled right here, and I held that with a stop at 60 points of 4200, and it did not ever go down there. And on this day, it was a big green day for me. My target was no more here, but my target was right here on this top of the candle there, 43.68. I never got to it, and at the end of the day, I just went flat. So pretty much when the day closed, that is, if you look at, so that's your close of the day. So when the day closed, I just pretty much went flat, and I think it was 43.40 where I got out of this trade. So that was pretty good trade for me in that sense. Just stuck with the plan. Now let's go back to the weekly again here. So looking at that channel, this is one channel which we broke out. I've talked about this. This is the other channel, which it really bounced from that channel, and it's going up now. What really needs to happen for this uptrend to continue, that it needs to continue and test this one here. So I'm going to put that as a level here, right around there. And let's look at that from a daily perspective. Weekly, there's one here, so right here makes more sense on the weekly, so I would like to move that. So tried to sell off, could not sell off, went up. This strong push went to that channel, but I'm expecting some kind of resistance there, and obviously that's another resistance here. That's about it. So I am still bullish. I am thinking it will retrace. So that's why I do not have any overnight trades now because I want to wait for price action here. And going into next week, let's go into the hourly, and let me take out, good that I do not have the extended hours. Going into next week, there was on the 4-hourly quite a bit of accumulation and then huge candle. And if you see here, trying to break that level here, that level there, right there. And that level is from this daily chart, a 4-hourly chart here, which actually got broken, and then some kind of stop hunting and then really broke it down. So if that level breaks, so that means it is breaking out to the upside, then I will be interested to take, give some cooling points. So that is like 43.57, let's say 43.60, and so I put this 43.65, we test 43.65 here, there will be some sell orders, it will try to sell back, and if it holds, so for me, if this still holds this level here, so around, let's say somewhere around right here, 43.35 or so, it holds, then after it starts retracing back, so 43.40, 43.50, giving some cooling off points, I'll go long, targeting 43.65 first, then targeting, there's a gap fill here and these areas. So it should be breaking out this areas, 44.19, obviously the gap fill here and these levels. Will it happen next week? Maybe not, but I am more bullish than bearish, and hence I'm taking full trades on bullish trades. The bearish side is that it breaks this level and starts retracing back, then I'm going to switch, but I'm going to take a smaller position. If it really breaks this area here, then I'm going to go full size, because it's now then gonna come back to fill up orders right here and may come down. So that's a big, almost 50 points there. So I would like to, get full size there. But I'm doubtful it will do this without not breaking out, but let's see. If it does that, then obviously I'm going to go short, targeting almost, if small size here, and then if it breaks this level and retests, then I'm going to go short full size, targeting this area, 40 to 50. So simple plan, more towards the bullish side, but will take a bearish full side if it breaks this 4300, 43.5, 43.10 area. That's the plan going into next week. Simple plan and nothing fancy. So as always, keep your stop losses tight, your losses small, and profit at large.